Hello guys and welcome to Eddie's Empire. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Guys, as you can tell by today's title, we'll be continuing our reaction to Daouoffroad. Like, I'm literally obsessed with those two and I'm so excited to continue this journey. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Oh, Offroad is so pretty. Oh my god. And of course his man is looking at him. Offroad is so pretty. Damn. Of course he has. Period. There's only one. And we all know. You know, I know, we know, Lino. Wait, is that thing? Wait, what song is this? They are so cute together. Of course, Tao is always clingy. Oh, I like the song. It's cute. The song is so them. Oh my god. Yeah, I am smiling over somebody's love life. Oh my god. Like, they are so cute and adorable. And we all know who is in his heart. We all know. The whole industry knows at this point. Oh my god. The way now is just staring at Offroad. He's like, this is my whole world. I love him so much. Oh. Period. Aww.
Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you all around.
Oh, he looks cute with it.
I will be here. Don't
Wait, don't tell me. He's so cute. He's so cute when he's crying. He's a cute crier. Oh. At this point, it's their world and we are just living in it. We are just living in it. May this love last forever. Amen. Amen. Wait. Wait, is it being sarcastic? Because we all know Tao is so clingy. Look. Yo, what is this show? Is he being sarcastic? Because it looks like he's being sarcastic. Because we all know he's so clingy to Offroad. And Offroad is just accepting his fate. He's just sitting there accepting his fate. He's so adorable. He gives me cat vibes. He cannot stay alone. He's literally climbing on top of Offroad. What the fuck? What is this show? I need to watch this.
โอเคก็ทุกคนก็ได้เห็นแล้วครับ
Offroad just accepted his fate.
ยอดเลยครับ
Guys, what is this show? I need you all to comment it in the comment section below because I need to watch it. It looks so fun.
เขานอนลำบากไหมนอนลำบากมากไปนอนเนี่ยนอนก่อนด่วนเขาจะมีนอนหลับ
So that means you all sleep together.
อะไรที่ต้อง
Oh, and they gave me the evidence. Oh my god, they're so cute. Adorable. Offroad really is a pretty crier. I want what they have more. Yo, what is this? Is this so crud? This is a man who is head over heels for his mans. This is a man who is head over heels for his mans. Like the way he just melted into Offroad. Oh my gosh. Ah, so crud. There was something in the water. There is something in the water. Ah, I want to at least in my lifetime attend one song crown. Please, please. What's going on here? In front of everybody. In front of everybody. It's their world. We are just living in it at this point. Oh. Who is that guy? He's like, I need to stand by my man. Who is he? He's pretty tall. He's like, I need to stand by my man. Of course, now he's gonna be clingy. And who is that dude? He's really tall. Oh, jealous Offroad? And is that not? Oh, I know him. I know him. I know him. I've seen that face before. The one, the guy, Tao is hugging. I know him. Yeah. He's in the group with William, right? How do you pronounce it? Is that like he or I do not know how it's pronounced. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, I think I don't know. Is this? I'm trying to get their names because I'm watching Tempo. So like I get their names when the music is playing. I think this is either Hong or Nat. I am not sure, but I think it's Hong or Nat. One of them. I get their names confused. But yeah. Tao is sleeping outside for that. He's sleeping outside. He's sleeping on the couch. Period. In the series. Love in Translation. Oh my god, I love this show so much. I can't believe I thought Tao was such an introvert. When in series is the same as real life. Lost company. What you need? I love this because I really enjoyed Love in Translation. I remember I was going for an was it internship or yeah, and I hated that shit so much, but this made me able to get through it because I was so excited to watch it on my way there, and oh my gosh. What's this name? What is this? Okay. So you're talking about Tao. He is not like he's not like he is. What is this? the viewer. What kind of side quest is this? Daouoffroad. What kind? She's a konnichiwa. Wow, this is hot. I love you. Oh my god! Like, yo, can somebody clip the beginning? How I react? Like, I was into it. I was ready for it. But look at my wild, like, white smile now. Like, I'm so excited. They always manage to put a smile on my face, and I really enjoy reacting to them so much because Tao is clingy, he's needy, he literally gives me like puppy vibes, but at the same time he gives me like cat vibes. Like when he's needy, he gives me puppy vibes, but he gives me cat vibes too. Like I love them so much. I cannot wait to delve deeper into their lore. Please keep recommending your favorite duos and I'll react to them. And if you want more Daouoffroad, just comment down below. And I got you, girl. I got you. Anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. And see you next time.